Hi everyone! Now I am going to introduce the simplification and smooth features. In this video you can see that some sections have significant shaking. We have already solved the animation, the camera movement. The solved animation still contains noticeable jitter, so how do we fix this? Avatar Studio has made major upgrades to simplification and smoothing, with the key improvement being the keyframe protection mechanism. This mechanism is available only in the with track and no track solving. Now I'll switch to the mouth group, where we have a higher density of keyframes, making it easier to observe the effect. Right-click on Simplification and set the simplification strength to 100%. Click to start the simplification process. Now you can see that the animation for the mouth group has been simplified. Let's zoom in on the curve. Notice that our keyframes are still intact, preserving the keyframes generated during solving. Next, let's apply smoothing to the curve. Right-click on Smooth and adjust the smooth strength to 100%. Even at the maximum smoothing strength, the existing keyframe values remain unchanged. This means that no matter how much we apply simplification or smoothing, the animation data will never affect the keyframes we created during solving. This ensures the integrity of the animation results. Now, let's switch back to the All group and optimize the animation. For areas with minor shakes, lower the simplification strength to preserve more details. For areas with severe shakes, increase the simplification strength to reduce excessive movement. You can also apply adjustments to the group or specific sections separately. After making these refinements, we apply simplification and finally export to DCC to review the final animation results. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.